Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll be teaching you a very easy topic. I'll be introducing you to the concept of differentiation in calculus. Differentiation is actually a very easy topic. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, the concept of differentiation is not different from your normal gradients, where you look for the change in y all over the change in what? X. So, for example, if I ask you to differentiate something like this plus what? 7. Now, note that in differentiation, we have the constant rule. And the constant rule simply states that if you differentiate a constant, the answer is 0. So this is a constant. Any value without an x is what? A constant. So if you differentiate any value, even if it's 100, 1000, what you get is 0. So if you are asked, if y is equal to what? 7, the x is actually what? 0. So if you differentiate what? This, you have what? 0. What about this? This you use the what? The power what? Rule. Now the power rule is stated like this. Let's assume that x is raised to power what? N. The rule that you apply is what? This n, take it back of what? The x. Drop your x there. N minus what? 1. Now note this again. We have x raised to power what? N. Okay? I have to take this n to the back of x, which we have here. Then drop your x there. N minus what? 1. So let's apply that to this. We now have here we have x raised to power what? 3. So I'll have to take this 3 to the back of what? X. We now have 3 what? X. Now 3 minus 1. Because the formula is stated at n minus what? 1. So which is 3 minus what? 1. What is our answer? 3 what? X squared. Because 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So this is our answer. So if you are asked to differentiate this, what will now be your answer? You differentiate this separately and you differentiate this. And what is your answer? It's simple. Your answer is what? The dy dx, if y is equal to what? 3 x raised to power 3 plus what? 7. The dy dx is equal to what? 3 what? S what? Squared. Because this is 0, so times out. And if you differentiate it, you have what? S squared. So this is our answer. Let's assume that you're asked to solve another question where y is actually what? Let's say 6 x raised to power what? 5 plus, let's say, 5x raised to power 3 plus, let's say, 2 what? X. And you're asked to differentiate this. It's very easy. Just apply this same rule that we did. So the dy dx is equal to what? Now this will go to the back. So we now have 6 times 5 bracket x minus 1. Now, there's a value at the back. In this place, there's an invisible 1 here. So, but if any number multiply the 1, you have the same thing. But in this case, you have 6 at the back. So you put the 6 there. Take this 5 to the back. You now have this 2. Then x n minus 1, which is 5 minus 1. So plus, now, the second one we have, this will go to the back. We now have 5 times what? 3. Open x 3 minus what? 1. Plus, now here we have this, there's an invisible 1 here. If 1 comes to the back, you still have what? 2. All right, 2 times 1 is 2. X 1 minus what? 1. Okay, so please take note of that. If you use this to multiply this, what do you have? 30 x raised to power what? Subtract, you have 4. Plus, if you use it to multiply this, what do you have? 15. X. To subtract this, you have 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus, now, if you use, this is there, 2x is there, all right? But let's not write 2x. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we now have 2x raised to power what? 0. In mathematics, anything raised to power 0 is actually what? 1. So we have to write this as 3 x raised to power 4 plus 15 what? X squared plus, now, since this is x raised to power 0 is 1, so it's now 2 times 1 is what? 2. So this is our answer. This is a very simple concept. Let me solve one question that will involve some aspect that you think is confusing, but it's still very easy. Let's assume that you're asked to solve something like this. 1 all over 3x raised to power what? Let's say 6. That's y is now equal to this. Then what else will I put here? Let's assume we now have minus 2, okay, x raised to power, let's say 3 all over what? 2, okay, plus let's say 5x raised to power what? Minus what? 1. Sorry, minus what? Yes, let's say minus 2. Let's use the word minus 2. So if you are asked to differentiate this, what will you do? It is still the same thing irrespective of the way they put the value. How do you do that? It's simple. dy dx. dy dx is equal to. Now, apply the same rule that you'll be doing. In bracket, we now have 1 all over 3 times, this will come to the back. This is 6. Close the bracket, then x raised to power what? In this, I know sometimes I put this in bracket, I put this, but since this side may be confusing to you, let's put this in bracket. Now this is 6 minus what? 1. This will come to the back again. We now have, let's put our minus bracket, 2 times 3 all over 2. Close the bracket, then we now have what? X 3 all over 2 minus 1. Plus, now have, this will come to the back. We now have 5 times minus 2. We now have x minus 2 minus what? 1. Okay, let's solve this. This 3 will cancel out this. We now have 2. So we now have 2x raised to power 5. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. Now, in this case, 2 will cancel out these 2. We now have minus 3x. Now, in this case, you have to solve this. This is over 1. You have to look for the LCM of this, which is 2. 2 going to 2 is what? 1. 1 times this is 3. Then 2 going to this is 2. 2 times this is what? 2. So if you subtract, you will now have the answer as 1 all over what? 2. Take note. Let me solve this in. Let me solve this in a place where you see it. Remember, we have here as 3 all over 2 minus 1. I'll put this over 1. Take the LCM. You have 2. Okay? These 2 go into this 2. What will you have? 1. 1 times this is 3. 1 go into 2. What do you have? 2 minus 2 times 1 go into this is 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. To subtract 2 from this, what do you have? 1 all over what? 2. So this is our answer. So you realize that this 3x is now raised to power what? 1 all over what? 2. Then the last part plus the last part that you have is this. 5 times minus 2 is actually what? Minus 10. So you now have minus 10. Okay? Minus 10. Then here you have what? Raised to power what? Minus 10x raised to power what? Minus 2. Now, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So this is our answer. In law of indices, you can, in some cases, you want to solve this further, but you can leave your answer here because anything raised to power, for example, if I tell you 10 raised to power minus 2 is the same thing as what? 1 all over what? 10 what squared. So, but you can leave your answer at this one. So it's a very simple concept. I would like you to attempt this as a simple assignment. In my further class, I'll be solving other rules such as what? The chain rule, the quotient and product rule, and some others. So I would like you to attempt this simple aspect, this simple question. All right. Now, differentiate y is 1 over 2x raised to power what? 3 all over what? 2. Okay. Plus what? X raised to power what? Minus 3 all over what? 2. So just differentiate this. This is a very simple question. So do the differentiation. Drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.